What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum. So kapag balak nyo mag-apply guys ng Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum, so nasa tamang video kayo kasi pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits ng Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum at saka yung annual fee at the same time kung magkano yung kailangan yung spend para maka-earn kayo ng points. Kasi may certain amount siya before kayo makapag-earn ng points. Kaya naman sa video na to, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga lahat-lahat ng dapat nyo malaman about Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum. At saka i-share ko din sa inyo guys yung finance charts, kung magkano nga ba yun, at saka kung gaano nga ba katagal yung delivery ng credit card nito right after ma-approve yung application ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, kapag halimbawa hindi pa kayo nakapag-apply, so nag-research pa lang kayo about the details of this Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum, so balak nyo mag-apply, pwede na kayo mag-apply dito mismo guys sa link ko kasi sa description ilalagay ko yung link which is papunta sa application page ng Union Bank Credit Cards. I-share ko sa inyo guys, nasa description siya at nasa comment section. Kaya naman punta kayo doon, check niyo yung link kasi baka ma-approve kayo gamit yung link ko. So as you can see guys, ito yung sinasabing Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum. So kapag hindi pa kayo aware kung ano yung itsura niya, yan po yung itsura ng sinasabing Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum. So as you can see guys, the Union Bank Rewards Platinum Visa is a premium rewards credit card designed for high-frequency spenders, offering 3 times points on shopping and dining, local and international, and 1 point per 30 pesos spent on other categories. With no cap on earnings. It features non-expiring points and frequently offers no annual fee forever with minimum spend of 20,000 pesos spent. So, as you can see dito guys, isa-isahin natin para mas maintindihan ninyo, para mas ma-clarify, maisa-isa natin yung bawat details. So, the Union Bank Rewards Platinum Visa is a premium rewards credit card designed for high-frequency spenders, offering 3 times points on shopping and dining, local, international, 1 point per 30 pesos spend. So, para maka-earn kayo guys ng 1 point, kailangan nyo mag-spend ng 30 pesos. So, halimbawa, nag-spend kayo ng 100 pesos. So, tatlong 30 pesos yung nandun. So, 3 points agad yung ma-earn ninyo using your Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum. Then, as you can see dito guys, it features non-expiring points and frequently offers no annual fee forever. So, maganda siya guys kasi hindi nag-expire yung earned points ninyo. At saka, yung annual fee na yon is mawi-waive siya kapag nakapag-spend kayo ng 20,000 pesos right after the application, which is 60 days from the approved date. So, like for example, nag-apply kayo, tapos na-approve. Kung ano yung petsa na yon, dapat within 60 days, pag dumating na yung card, makapag-spend kayo ng 20,000 pesos. Ganun siya. Then, key features and benefits. Rewards structure. 1 point for every 30 pesos spend, 3 times points on shopping and dining. So, tulad ng sabi kanina, diba? 3 times points earning. So, kasi, rewards structure. So, 1 point for every 30 pesos spend. So, kapag hindi siya category ng shopping and dining, 1 point per 30 pesos. Then, kapag sa shopping nyo siya ginamit, dining, yung 30 pesos nyo is mag-earn ng 3 points. So, yung 100 pesos, which is may tatlong 30, so may 9 points agad kayo. Points expiry. Points never expire. So, ito yung kagandahan kasi never nag-expire yung points sa Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum. No annual fee. Commonly offered as no annual fee or NAFFL, provided a 20,000 pesos spend requirements is met within 60 days of approval. So, tulad na sabi ko kanina. Nag-apply kayo, tapos na-approve, within 60 days, dapat pagkadating ng card, na-activate nyo agad, then makaswipe agad kayo ng worth 20,000 pesos para maging no annual fee for life yung Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum na credit card ninyo. Then yung redemption. Redeem points for cash credits, merchandise, and gadgets via Union Bank online application. So kung paano nga ba i-redeem yung naipon ninyong points sa Union Bank credit card kapag ginagamit ninyo, so, via Union Bank online application. Siguro aware naman kayo dun guys, no? Kasi meron kayong Union Bank credit card. So, Kapag may Union Bank credit card kayo, dapat naka-enroll ito sa Union Bank online application para na monitor ninyo yung spending ninyo. Security, real-time tracking and card management via the application. So, kapag naka-link kasi siya guys sa Union Bank online application, so, advice ko na lang guys, make sure na kapag may credit card kayo or savings account sa Union Bank, make sure na nakalink yan sa Union Bank online banking. Para lahat ng galaw na monitor ninyo. Punta lang kayo sa Google Play, then install niyo yung Union Bank online application. Fees and charges. So let's talk about fees and charges on having Union Bank Visa Platinum Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum. So yung fees and charges niyo guys is annual fee, standard fee is 3,000 pesos, often waived through promos. So as you can see naman guys, yung standard annual fee ng Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum is 3,000 pesos siya. Kapag hindi nyo na-meet yung 20,000 pesos spending requirements within 60 days, write the approval date. Minimum income requirement, approximately 600,000 pesos annually. So yung income requirement nyo guys is 600,000 pesos yung annual income requirement. Then yung finance charge is 2% monthly effective interest rate. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng finance charge? So like for example, nag-swipe kayo, tapos hindi nyo kaya bayaran ng buo. Binayaran nyo lang yung kalahati. So, kung magkano yung total statement amount, yun yung ipapatong on the next billing cycle. Like, for example, tulad ng sabi dito, 2%. So, halimbawa, may 10,000 kayong sinwipe. Tapos, 5,000 lang yung nabayaran ninyo. So, meaning, next billing cycle, yung 2% ng 10,000 yung i-add doon kasi as finance charge. Which is, magkano yung 2% ng 10,000? So, napakompute kayo. So, nasa around 200 pesos yung magiging finance charge sa next billing cycle. At maiipon yun at maiipon kapag hindi nyo nabayaran hanggat hindi nyo nababayaran. So, make sure na guys to pay your Union Bank statement balance on time or full payment talaga siya to avoid finance charges. So, kapag may credit card kayo, make sure na swipe nyo lang kung magkano lang yung kaya nyong bayaran para maiwasan yung accrued interest or yung accrued finance charges. Foreign transaction fee, 3.525%, 1% assessment fee plus up to 2.525% service fee. So kapag outside the Philippines nyo ginamit yung Union Bank credit card ninyo. Important details, points utilization. Points cannot be converted to pay for annual fees or load. So yung points earned guys is hindi siya pwedeng i-convert into pambayad or annual fees. Parang may certain ano lang siya kapalit kapag i-convert nyo siya yung points earned ninyo sa Union Bank credit card. No income documents often available for individuals holding an existing credit card with another bank. So yun guys, ulitin ko lang kapag balak nyo mag-apply dito, punta lang kayo sa description at saka sa comment section para at least yun, baka ma-approve kayo gamit yung link ko. Then, yung delivery naman, guys, application deliveries, right? For example, approve. So, yung delivery date or delivery time frame, 5 to 7 banking days, Metro Manila. Then, 7 to 10 banking days, provincial. So, kapag within Metro Manila yung address nyo, guys, 5 to 7 banking days, darating na siya. Kapag outside Metro Manila, 7 to 10 banking days yung delivery day niya, kung ilang araw bago dumating sa bahay ninyo. Then ito guys, take note lang na credit card ito, so it contains confidential details. So kapag nag-apply kayo tapos na-approve, or kung meron na kayo ngayon ng Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum, ingatan nyo yan kasi bawal yan kung saan-saan mapunta. Baka ma-misplace ninyo, ingatan nyo yan. Tapos kung ma-misplace man ninyo, automatic na dapat i-lock ninyo yan para hindi na magamit kung sino man. Tapos, do not ever share your confidential details kasi yung mga nakasulat dyan na card number, expiry date, CVV, confidential yan. That is strictly highly confidential. Those card details written on your Union Bank credit card, that is strictly confidential. It must be kept to yourself. So, do not take photos of it, then upload it on social media. So, it must be in private. Dapat ikaw lang nakakaalam yan since sa'yo yan. So, wag mo sinishare sa iba kasi delikado kapag nalaman ng iba, maaari nilang gamitin yan sa online transaction. So, yun lamang guys, inuulit ko, kapag gusto nyo mag-apply, punta lang kayo sa description at saka sa comment section dahil ililink ko yung referral link ko para at least magkaroon kayo ng chance na ma-approve sa Union Bank credit card. So, I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!